Good morning everyone. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsat English Medium. Myself Ketan Rathod. Today we will learn Standard 5th subject Max chapter number 5. Does it look the same? In previous two videos we have learned about mirror images, mirror half, symmetry line and exercise on the basis of it. And in last video we have learned about half turn and 1/4 turn, and in that we have learned different exercise on the basis of half turn and 1/4 turn. Today we will learn two new topics. The name of the topics are 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. So let's begin with 1/3 turn. Before we start our topic 1/3 turn, what is 1/3? In fraction, what is 1/3? If we divide a whole, suppose this is a whole, and if I divide this whole into three equal parts, suppose a whole, this is a whole, if I divide this whole into three equal parts, if I divide this whole into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3. Each part is called 1/3. I can show you here. This is whole. If you divide this whole into three equal parts, I have already made, you can see here. If I divide this whole into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3 part. Now you have understood what is 1/3 part. If I want to rotate this shape into 1/3, how it looks, that we have to see. So let's see. So you can see this is the three parts. If I want to rotate this figure hexagon into 1/3 part, then how it looks, let's see. So the shape looking first like this. But first it was looking like this, but when I rotate it, it looks like this. Means when we rotate this figure, it changes its position. It was looking like this before. When I rotate into 1/3 part, means I bring this part here, so it looks like this. So hope you have understood how to rotate 1/3 part. Now we will move to next. Now next topic is 1/6 turn. Before we learn of 1/6 turn, let us understand what is 1/6. So suppose this is a whole, and if I divide this whole into 6 equal parts, six equal parts, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6 and 1/6. I have divided this whole into 6 equal parts. Each part is called 1/6 part of a whole. So you have understood what is 1/6. Now we will go to 1/6 turn. What is 1/6 turn? Original position is like this. Now if I rotate this hexagon, I am rotating this hexagon from this side. How it looks on 1/6 turn, you can see here. Now I am drawing it. If you compare two figure, you will come to know that both figure look the same on 1/6 turn. So now you have understood how to rotate 1/6 part and 1/3 part. Now we will solve exercise based on 1/3 and 1/6 part. So let's begin it. Question number 1. Look at the following shapes. Draw how they will look on 1/3 and 1/6 turn. Three pictures I have drawn on the board. Now when we rotate these into 1/3 turn, how it will look, and when we rotate into 1/6 turn, how it will look, that we have to draw here. So let's start. First number is start. Now we are talking about 1/3 turn. 1/3 means this part is 1/3, this part is another 1/3, and this part is another 1/3. Now let us rotate this image into 1/3 turn. How it looks? Let's see. Now you can see here it rotate. When we rotate the shapes into 1/3 turn, it looks like this. You can see in the picture. Now for 1/6 turn, how it looks when we rotate into 1/6 turn? 1/6 turn means when we divide this star into 6 equal parts, each part is called 1/6 parts. So when we rotate this star into 1/6 turn, how it looks? You can see in the picture how it looks. Next picture. Now when we rotate this figure into 1/3 turn, how it looks? So let's rotate it. You can see here. Now you can see it looks like this in the picture. Now for 1/6 turn, how it looks? Let's see. When we rotate this figure into 1/6 turn, let's rotate. Now it is rotating. You can see in this picture, you can see in this picture how it looks. Next question. Here also we have a star. Now when we rotate this star into 1/3 turn, how it looks? Let's turn it into 1/3 turn. Now you can see how it looks. Now let us rotate this star into 1/6 turn. So let us rotate it. You can see now we are rotating 1/6 turn of star. Now it looks like this. Now we will go to next question, question number 2. Second number question, look at the following shapes. A number, find out which of these figure looks the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with tick mark. B number question, which are the ones that will not look the same after 1/3 turn? Mark them with cross mark. Means from this question we understand that whichever figure is given, that figure we have to rotate into 1/3 turn, and when we rotate into 1/3 turn, at that time whether the figure looks same. If it looks same, then we have to do tick mark, and if it is not looking same, then we have to do cross mark. So let's begin it. See the first number figure, you can see in the picture. Now when we rotate this figure into 1/3 turn, how it looks? So you can see now we are rotating this figure into 1/3 turn. How it looks? It looks not same, because here color changes, color of circles position is changed, that's why they are not same. Second number picture, now you can look in the picture, second number picture you can see. Now when we rotate this picture into 1/3 turn, whether it will look the same, let's see it. When we rotate this figure into 1/3 part, you can see figure is rotated into 1/3 turn. Now if you compare these two figure, what you will find? The red color changes its position, that's why it is not same compared to original figure. Third number figure, now you can see the third number figure. It is designed. Now when we rotate this figure into 1/3 turn, whether it look same or not, let's see. Now I am rotating this figure into 1/3 turn. You can see in the picture. Does it look the same? No, it does not look the same. Why it does not look the same? Because the shape of pentagon is changed. The shape of pentagon is changed. That's why the figure is not same. Fourth picture, you can see your triangle. You can see your triangle. When we rotate this triangle figure into 1/3 part, whether it will look the same or not. Let's rotate it. You can see in the picture. Now if if you see the picture, it will look the same compared to the original figure. Means here we have to do tick mark. In previous 3 pictures we have to do cross mark because they all are not similar. 5th picture, you can see in the picture, when we rotate this picture into 1/3 part, whether it will look the same or not, let's see it. Now you can see it is rotating. Now you can compare these 2 pictures whether they are same or not. Yes, it is same. Both the pictures are same. So we have to do tick mark. Last number figure, you can see in the picture. When we rotate this figure into 1/3 part, whether it will look the same or not. Let us rotate the figure. Now figure is rotating. Now figure is already rotated, you have to compare these 2 figures whether it looks the same or not, yes or no. Yes, they both are looking similar, that's why we have to put tick mark. Hope you have understood all the figures. Let's start question number 3. Draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. Means you have to draw a shape, such a shape that it looks same on 1/3 turn. Suppose I draw a circle. If I rotate this circle into 1/3 turn, then also it will look the same. It will look the same. Next, if we draw a fan and if we rotate the figure into 1/3 turn, then also it will look the same. This blade will come here, this blade will come here, and this blade will come here, means it will remain same. It will look the same. You can also find like this so many pictures, and you can also rotate it into 1/3 turn and you will get the same shapes or figure. Now let's move to next question, last question of today. 4th number, draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. Means we have to draw such a shape that it will look the same when we rotate it into 1/6 turn. So let's draw. If we draw the hexagon shapes and if we rotate this shape into 1/6 turn, then it will look the same. It will look the same and it will look as a hexagon. Now last figure, you can see here circle is there and in that design is there. When we rotate this circle into 1/6 turn, how it look? It looks same or not? Let's see. If we rotate this into 1/6 turn, it looks the same. It looks the same, means original figure and the figure which we get after 1/6 turn looks the same. Hope you have understood. Thank you.